Using Adobe Firefly on your Discord platform is a straightforward process. Today, I'll demonstrate the steps to effectively employ Adobe Firefly on your Discord server. First, navigate to the Adobe Firefly website by accessing the provided link. Once there, locate the option to download Firefly for free, and proceed accordingly. Upon acquiring Adobe Firefly, the next step involves joining the designated Discord server associated with Firefly. This can be accomplished by clicking on the Join the Discord button, which will redirect you to the Firefly Discord server page. Within the Firefly Discord server, initiate the process of joining by selecting the appropriate option, followed by choosing your preferred language settings. Optionally, you may skip this step if desired. After completing the setup process, your Adobe Firefly server will be established. Explore the server guides, announcements, chat sections, and additional features available within the server environment. You can engage in various activities within the Adobe Firefly Discord server, including sharing vlogs and participating in stage watch channels. This comprehensive guide aims to facilitate your understanding and usage of Adobe Firefly on Discord.